I woke up early one Sunday feeling fine. Cause the scriptures that I read were on my mind. And a voice whispered in my ear, tell me, young man, have no fear. It's alright, you have love in your heart, in your mind. So just smile all the time. To the bridge, to the future generation of kids. Don't worry about one thing. Cause in the days, all the stress will go away. Probably you just need to believe in God. New Gospel, Sammy 9/27/2015. God bless you. That was beautiful. That was a blessing. One love. God is love. Peace.